Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 26, 2025, and we're taking a look at Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD. We'll go over some of the recent news and then delve into the charts to see what they tell us. Recent Google searches show that Ethereum is up 10% today, potentially driven by waning tariff fears and risk-on sentiment among derivatives traders. However, other sources point to Ethereum slipping below $2,000, with some analysts suggesting a bearish outlook due to rising whale concentration. Let's correlate these perspectives with the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we see a significant period of volatility followed by consolidation. The price action over the last few months has been choppy, ranging from highs near $4,000 in early March 2024 to lows around $1,400 in April 2025. Currently, Ethereum is hovering around $3,130. A key resistance level to watch is around $3,300, a price that ETH has failed to stay above multiple times since late 2024. If ETH can break and maintain above this, it could signal a bullish trend. The next major support level to look for is around $3,000. Now, let's narrow down the time window and examine the 1-hour chart to identify shorter-term trading opportunities and trends. This chart shows increased volatility over the last few days. On the 1-hour chart, we can observe more clearly the recent volatility, with rapid price swings. Notice the failure to hold gains above $1,800. This suggests that, despite positive news potentially driving short-term pumps, bearish pressure remains a significant factor. In the short term, we might see ETH test the $1,800 level again. But if this fails, we could expect further consolidation in the $1,500 to $1,800 range. Look for short-term bounces around $1,550. Let's zoom in even further to the 15-minute chart to see the most recent price action and potential entry/exit points. This will provide a micro level for the day. On the 15-minute chart, ETH has been struggling to stay above $1,780 during today. The high volume seen on April 22nd and 23rd indicates significant trading activity and potential areas of interest for support and resistance. In the immediate short term, watch for a possible retest of recent lows around $1,535. A break below this could lead to a further drop, while a sustained move above $1,800 could signal a bullish reversal. To recap, key price levels to watch are $3,300 as resistance on the daily, with possible short-term bounces in the $1,550 to $1,800 range. In summary, keep an eye on volume spikes and whale activity as potential indicators of market direction, particularly in light of recent volatility fears around options expiry. A Bloomberg analysis states that they predict the launch of multiple cryptocurrency ETFs in 2025, which would increase the likelihood that ETH would reach much higher prices. Remember to always do your own research and manage risk responsibly.